everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Siri here. Siri, we will start with your introduction first and then we will continue.
Okay, sure. As you know, my name is Siri. I'm from Telangana. I'm a BTech final year student. If I talk about my hobbies, reading books, doing meditation, chanting, listening to songs, and dancing also.
Okay, have a lot of hobbies. Okay, about me, my name is Pratibha. I am from Jammu and Kashmir, currently a college student, first year. And my hobbies, they're not much actually these days. I'm just talking with people from different regions. So that's what I do. So if we talk about your college, what's going on? Like, are you attending your college on regular basis or you're on and off since it's your final year?
Like, it is not regular classes. I'm on and off. Today I took a leave. I mean, it is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday, like 2 days. That's the reason today I took a leave. And my classes are not regular classes. We have to go to college like 2 days, 3 days, like that only.
Okay, and you said that you love to chant as well. Like, can you explain a bit about it? Like, what do you do exactly?
No, like it is not like that. I don't know all shlokas. I know only few. Every day I woke up morning, early morning. After that, I do chanting. It is just a 3 lines of shloka. Morning chanting. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, good to know that. And if we talk about your state, Telangana, how would you describe your state if you had to describe it in 3 words?
Okay, only 3 words.
Yeah.
Um, I think Telangana. It is famous for traditions. Famous festivals like Bonalu festival is very famous. And when it comes to food, biryani and yeah, it is a festival, Bonalu. It is famous for in Telangana only. Telangana people here, people celebrate Bonalu every year, and tomorrow here that festival.
Okay, so what would you do in that festival? Do you like, is there a god that you worship or what is it about exactly?
There is a goddess, Mahankali
Yeah.
Mata, and mm, we worship that goddess. We do puja morning. We go to temple.
Okay. And how about your English learning journey? Have you talked to many people or you're just getting started?
No, I haven't talked to many people. Just I am using ChatGPT nowadays, and sometimes I try to connect with YouTubers. I connected with a few YouTubers, and but most of the time nowadays I am trying to speak ChatGPT only. I'm doing speaking practice with the help of ChatGPT.
Okay, so this can be a nice title for a video. Let's talk about how you learn from ChatGPT so that like people who are listening to us get like a bit of benefit. They can start learning like you as well from ChatGPT. So I just explain us a bit about it.
Yeah, nothing like every day I use ChatGPT half an hour like that. First, I ask ChatGPT like I'm a beginner level. I want to practice English with you. Please guide me. If I make any mistakes, tell me at the end of our conversation like that. And the ChatGPT just ask me, "How is your day? How was your day? What did you do today?" Like that. It is just a normal conversation. But at the end of the conversation, ChatGPT gives me feedback, like which level are you in? What kind of practices I need to do? Most of the time, ChatGPT suggested me try to listen more, like
Okay.
and speaking practice,
So there's
listening and
this
speaking practice.
Mhm. So there's this feature on ChatGPT where you can talk to it. So do you do that or do you just type in the message in the text
No,
form?
no, directly talking.
Okay, so
Like
ChatGPT
yeah, there is
can
a.
help you talk.
Mm.
Okay. So I think that's a great tool. If you're just so shy to talk to a real person, you can just start with ChatGPT. And once you have the confidence that okay, now I can talk with many people. So you can just jump on talking with people or YouTubers, however you like, right?
Yes. And are you going to college every day?
No, my college, I will start from Monday and I will try to go there every day because it's gonna be new for me. Let's hope that I go every day and the college environment is good. Yeah, I am just hoping to make new friends because in 11th and 12th I had dummy, so I didn't really go to school. So I'm just hoping I get to meet a lot of good friends and yeah, that's it. Just wanna have fun.
Okay. And when you were in school, what kind of person were you? Like, are you an extrovert or an introvert person? School,
Uh, I
college.
I would say like when I was in school, I didn't really used to talk to people. Even though I was an extrovert, I just felt like the people that I would like to talk to, they're not those type of people. They're a bit different from what personalities that I like. So I didn't used to engage much whenever I used to go there. I used to just attend classes and I had two, three friends that I used to talk to. And I just limited myself to talking to only those two, three people because even if you're extrovert, you need certain kind of personalities in which you are interested to talk to, right? So that was not the case for me. It was a bit different, but the friends I had, two, three, four friends, they were good. So I am grateful that I had.
Okay, that's great. Yeah.
How about you? How was your school and what was your experience?
Like school days are very good. Actually, it is golden days. Everyone do. When I was in school, I'm completely introvert person, super introvert. But now also I'm an introvert person, but I'm trying to be extrovert nowadays. But when I was in school, I have few friends, same like you. I used to talk with them every day, going to school, coming to, and actually my school is very near to my house. It takes only 3 minutes just for walk.
Oh,
Like I
that used to be my like dream that I wish I had a school where I used just 5 minutes of walk. Then I used to dream that I can have lunch at my house. I can come and then go back. So I used to have that dream, but unfortunately, my school was like 20 minutes away if we go from through
okay.
bus, and if we go by walking, then it would take like an hour. So
Yeah, got it. But my school is very near to my house, and I used to go to my school. And break time also, I used to come to my house. And yeah, it is like that.
did you also used to bring your friends in your house since your house was so near?
Yeah, yes, my friends they used to come to my house every day, like afternoon lunch break, in the break time. Yeah,
Yeah.
evening also.
So you really enjoyed your school days a lot. That means. Okay. So do you have any questions?
Like for editing a one conversational video, how much time it takes? Recently, you
Um.
started your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, for editing one conversational video, if I am putting my 100%, it would hardly take me like 20 minutes. Because for these type of videos, you don't really have to edit much. You have to keep it raw. You just have to put subtitles, and that I do with the help of AI. So it's not a big deal. If you feel like there are some moments that you have to cut, that if you feel like they are not good to keep in a video, you can cut them. Otherwise, you can directly upload. It would hardly take you 20 minutes.
Do you have
How
any
about you?
questions for me?
So are you
Mhm.
willing to like start a new YouTube channel as well?
I am thinking, but at the same time, I am thinking like editing takes a lot of time. I don't know how to edit a video, like photos also. I am not good at editing. That is the only reason I am thinking. Mm.
Okay, but let me assure you that in this, like if you wanna make conversational videos, you don't really have to edit. You can download CapCut and you just have to first of all you just have to put auto captions that will put auto captions in the video, and after that you just have to see that okay my video should be 10 to 15 minutes long because people have very terrible attention span, right? So you just make sure that the video is 10 to 15 minutes long, and you
Then,
can cut
yes.
those pieces, those conversation, those talks where you feel that it's not necessary. That's it. Other than that, you just can upload it.
Okay. And how is the weather in your area?
Weather in my area, like a few days back it was raining, but these days just a bit cold and hot. I can't really explain, but there's a transition from hot to cold weather, so we are in that transition phase right now. How about you?
Currently here it is raining outside. Like past 2 3 days it is raining. Now also it is raining. Weather is cool like that.
Okay, and if we talk about like, oh, how what kind of content do you consume for learning English these days?
These days for learning English, I am following some YouTubers. Sometimes I listen conversational videos, and most of the time I try to listen a video like podcast. Raj Sharmani.
Mhm.
I follow his YouTube channel, and there is a one YouTuber Winjang. I follow his YouTube channel also. Nowadays, I am consuming their content only most of the time.
Okay, and if we talk about your name, Siri, is it like your real name?
Yeah, it is my real name
So
and full name, Siri. Mhm.
okay, so like there's a thing called like there's Gemini, there's also Siri for Apple. So like do people like call you that way? Okay, hi Siri, what's up? Something like that. Have you experienced it?
Yeah, like I experienced it so many times, not once. My friends they used to tease me like that only. Hey Siri, play music. Hey Siri, bring
Yeah.
that me like that. Most of the time, my friends. And yeah, sometimes I connected with strangers. Initial days I used it to practice speed up application. In that application, whenever I connect with some strangers, they use it to say, "Hey Siri," like that. Alexa, like that.
Yeah, yeah, that's why I was wondering that okay, people must have made like fun or something like that, but it's a cool name to have, I would say.
Thank you.